What's crackin'? My name is Hans, and for today's video guys, i-share natin sa inyo yung bagong project dito guys na nakita ko. So ngayon nasa pre-sale sila. So ito guys yung astranova.world. So ito siya guys. So ito katulad na sinabi ko, nasa pre-sale yung kanilang token which is itong RVV. So pre-sale yan. Join the Astranova RVV pre-sale and join the next AI revolution. Secure your RVV before the next price surge. So ayan guys, so pwede kayo mag-buy dyan pero exit na natin yan. So pakita natin sa inyo dito guys yung gameplay, yung tokenomics. So ba't ko napiling gawa ng review to? Kasi sa tingin ko guys magiging magandang game to para sa atin and syempre para sa inyo. So kikita rin kayo dito guys. Yung shards nyo, ang pwede nyo gawin dito guys is ma-convert nyo dun sa token nila which is yung RVV. So back up by Shiba Inu Army, ayan, and Nvidia. So hindi ko lang kung tama yung pagka-bigkas ko doon. So reclaim the realm, forge the future. So ayan guys. So dynamic NPC with autonomous behavior. So ito yung gameplay nila. So Astranova NPC character are sophisticated AI agents, each with unique classes and skills that drive their behaviors. This character independently generate dynamic quests and mission, offering players a highly immersive and personalized experience. And ito, evolving monster and boss encounters. So sabi dito guys is the monster and boss enemies within our dungeon are AI driven, adapting and evolving in response to player actions. So napakaganda na ito guys. Hindi lang siya yung talagang kung paano yung NPC gumalaw. So dito guys kung paano sila prinogram gumalaw. So dito guys is ito nag-a-adapt siya guys dun sa mga actions ng players. And also this ensures that these creatures grow in strength over time, providing increasingly challenging encounters that keep gameplay exciting and unpredictable. So ayan, nag-evolve pa yung mga monster or yung mga bosses dun sa dungeon guys. So sobrang ganda na ito. And advanced fraud detection. So karamihan kasi ng mga game merong mga cheaters. So ayan, isa na rin to, fraudulent activities. Ayan, pinaprevent nila through the advanced features that they have. And also AI generated tailored quest. So players can design custom quest. So ayan, sobrang unique based on their in-game choices, with each quest expertly crafted by our AI to match their unique gameplay style. These features allow for a truly personalized and ever-evolving adventures. So ito na guys yung winner natin. Thanks, sabi niya dito, for sharing videos, idol. So ayan, congratulations kay Hatom Sinsuwat, nanalo ka ng 100 pesos. So guys, every video namimigay tayo ng 100 pesos giveaway. Ang kailangan nyo lang gawin is mag-subscribe and also mag-comment ng inyong GCash number katulad neto. So yun lang guys, and every video namimigay tayo ng 100 pesos. So ngayon guys, balik na tayo sa topic and let's go! So dito guys, pag in-scroll down nyo, ang sabi is The Last Refuge. So pwede nating ma-check dito guys yung kanilang teaser.
The fate of our world wasn't left to chance. It was left to us. From the dark of the cosmos, an ancient evil awakens. Striking from above and within. Fight for survival has only begun.
Okay, yung link natin sa description box below pati sa pin comment kompleto yan guys. Ayan, so ito, ancient portal to a new world. The weaver of space-time, being of pure energy, opened the ancient portals to Astranova, a hidden haven for the people of the five worlds, as their planet were destroyed by all-consuming entity of entropy and chaos. So ayan, this once great civilization have fallen victim to a cosmic parasite, the aggression. So ito yung sabi ko kanina. And all are equal under chaos. Ayan, so the corruption begin corrupting the hearts and minds of all 15 species on the 5 worlds. So yun sinabi ko kanina. Tapos yung mga na-destroy or yung mga nakasurvive dun sa pag-destroy ng kanilang world, which is yung 5 worlds, nahanap sila ng planet and napunta sila dun guys sa Astra Nova. Ayan, so the 5 worlds destroyed. Ayan, so unique culture of way of living. So ito yung 5 worlds guys. And those who survived fled to Astra Nova, but they weren't the first one there. So ayan, meet the Deviants. So ito guys, so ito yung mga Deviants nila. So the Deviants are the original habitat of Astra Nova. The Weavers created them as test subject for a new world, and they proved more troublesome than anticipated. So sa tingin ko mga kalaban to guys. Ayan. And ayan, 10,000 ways to get in trouble. Ayan, si Collection, Deviant's website. So check nyo na lang din yun guys. Ay ilalagay na rin natin yung link. Or pwede nyo search is astranova.world. So even in Astra Nova, survival is not guaranteed. So ayan guys. And yeah. So ngayon guys, check natin dito guys yung kanilang tokenomics, pati yung kanilang roadmap. So check muna natin dito yung about us. So ayan. So dito napakahalaga guys na i-check nyo pagdating sa mga projects is yung partnership and also the advisors. So ayan, next generation AI gaming powered by you. So ayan, Astra Nova game. So scroll down natin dito. So katulad sinabi ko, extending our influence with the support of premium partners. So Shiba Inu, ayan, Merit Circle, Epic. Nandito rin guys yung sa Wimix So yung Wimix kasali rin dito. Immutable, ayan, kayo na lang mag-check guys. Okay, tapos dito, sabi is Astra Nova, AG driven or AG driven game, Deviants Fight Club, Telegram game, Webcomics pala, and ito Black Pass. So meron silang Black Pass. So ayun, alam niyo naman yung ibig sabihin ng mga pass. So ayun, parang additional lang din siya, parang sa Dota or kung ano man. So ito pwede nyo rin i-check tong loyalty nila or itong Black Pass nila. Search nyo lang Astra Nova Black Pass. Kasi kanina, chinek ko na rin yan. So ito, ayan, gaming ecosystem that evolves within you. So ayan, meron silang marketplace. So katulad na sabi ko, buy and sell ng Deviants. Ayun yung NFT kasi nila. Collaborative mission, player created lore, earn shards. Ayan, yung shards nyo, by completing quests, creating content, or engaging in events, shard can convert it into RWAs or in-game items through Astra Nova's marketplace. Tapos pwede nyo rin siya guys ma-convert into RVAA or yung kanilang token. Nakalimutan ko yung initial. And climb the leaderboard and seasonal event. So ito yung roadmap nila guys. So sa phase 1, 2021 and 2022, which is stops na yan, 2022, tama, okay. So ayan, so nandito na tayo guys sa 2025 of quarter 1. So Nova Toons, Webinomics DApp, powered by AI launch, user-generated content, and CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap listing. Ito yung mahalaga. Survival mode on RPG game on Shibarium, Deviant AI agent rollout, and ito pala guys, yung mga token, which is yung RVV listing on a major CEX guys, and also ito yung centralized exchange and also on the DEX. Listing sa DEX guys. So sa phase 5, quarter 2 at quarter 4, ito yung mga dapat nyong abangan. Okay? So proceed na tayo dun sa kanilang tokenomics. So guys, ito yung tokenomics nila. Check nyo na rin yung kanilang Twitter. So ayan, future is RVV. Astra Nova is redefining the game, and our tokenomics is strategical, designed to fuel long-term growth and community-driven success. This is more than just a token, it's a movement. The future is bright and RVV is just getting started. Whether you're an early adopter or a future believer, join us as we push the boundaries of what possible. So ayan. So mapapansin nyo, 12% team and advisor, 9.5% marketing and development, and 5% on exchange and liquidity. So medyo malit dito yung exchange and liquidity nila na percentage. Pero ito, private investors 18% and community, ito yung mahalaga, 55.5%. So ayan, half ng kanilang percentage is mapunta sa community and ecosystem. Ayan, so ayan, can't wait. So ayan, makikita nyo rin yan dito guys. So ngayon, check natin yung gameplay. So eto guys yung gameplay. Okay, check natin. Ayan, cellphone lang kasi gamit ko guys. Ayan, ito yung gameplay. Ito, isa sa mga boss. Ewan ko kung Deviant to. So yun pa yung boss. Okay, the ultimate test of skills and strategy. Okay, so ayan, Astra Nova's new survival mode pushes you to your limit or giving battle for supremacy. Face relentless swarm of enemies, adapt or perish, exclusive rewards for the boldest survivor. So ayan. So ito pa guys yung isa. So ito rin yung isang gameplay na inaabangan naman. So ganito siya guys nag-work. So pang PC pa lang siya eh. So yun o, kung mapapansin yung ganda ng game, tapos kikita ka pa. Okay. So nakalimutan ko yung isa na ito eh. Pwede ko siya i-compare din sa isang game na marami na rin kikita. So siguro pag naalala ko. Or baka alam nyo na rin yung sinasabi ko. NFT Remix. Yan, parang ganito. So ganito yung gameplay na. So yun o, ilag-ilag ka din. So ayan, nasa dungeon din yung guys. Okay. So ito naman guys yung key tweets. So Astra Nova x Shiba Inu. Astra Nova is joining forces with SHIB token and the results are nothing short of legendary. Together we're launching a groundbreaking features that will reshape the gaming and blockchain landscape. So ayan guys. Ayan, so liquidity and commitment, ayan, so partnered siya guys with Shiba Inu. Ayan, kung mapansin nyo, survival mode coming to Shibarium. Ito guys yung kaninang nabanggit ko kanina. Nasa website din nila to, yung Shibarium. Tapos ito yung webcomic DAP and Astra Nova. So ayun guys, ano ba yung tingin nyo dito sa project na ito? I-comment nyo lang yan. And syempre guys, para makasali kayo sa 100 pesos nating giveaway, please comment nyo lang yung Gcash number nyo. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Sobrang basic lang guys. And this is our content for today. So maraming salamat guys sa panonood. So once again, this is Hans. And God bless.